Let's see how to turn on dark mode on the Mac. The first thing you want to do is head up to the top left hand corner, click the little Apple logo, come down to System Preferences, and then you want to come over to General. At the top you will see the 3 different appearances: light, dark and auto. Auto will change from light to dark as your day progresses. If you do not see these 3 appearances, you need to head up to the top left hand corner, click the little Apple logo and About This Mac, and then you want to check that your Mac is completely up to date. You want the Mac to have at least 10.14 and above to have the dark mode on the Mac. If you do not see 10.14, you will need to update your Mac to get the latest software to get dark mode on your Mac. And that is how you add dark mode to your Mac. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button below and consider subscribing for more helpful videos like this.